Google finally launched its AI platform to generate the applications. It's called the Firebase Studio. So let's now check how it works. So first of all, the website looks really amazing and sleek. So I'm going to click on Try Studio, and this is having, oh my god, this is really crazy. And let's accept the application something, and finally we are here. And it looks like we have to write the prompt here on this part, which is having a very nice animation border. Thumbs up for all the design. And here is the application frameworks we can use. But as a non-coder, if someone is not a developer or programmer, then he doesn't know what is the difference between Flask, Java, .NET, Flutter, Angular, etc. So that's a little much of kind of a programmer intensive thing instead of lovable, where you just write the prompt, it will choose the framework for you, choose the database for you. Obviously you can define it later, but here little different. Okay, no issue. And here's the prompt I have generated from the ChatGPT to test this Firebase Studio. Let's see how it works without doing anything. If I just say prototype with AI, let's see what's going to happen after a few minutes. So first of all, it is not that fast against the cursor or lovable or bold. They are really faster, and you can see still nothing is here, just a black screen. Something is happening or not, I don't have any idea. These kind of things may be fixed in the future with the latest updates, but right now it looks clumsy and resisting me to use the Firebase Studio. But after some time something happened. You can see it is having fit mate, which I gave as a prompt. It has created some feature layout and now decided the colors, layout, iconography, animation. Looks really cool. And let's hit on prototype this app, and now it started working. Cool. Okay, something crazy is happening. So it is doing with TypeScript. It has chosen the framework on its own. I have not decided, so I think it's just TypeScript or it's just a Next.js. I don't know. It seems like a React. Cool. Very soon we will see if it is Next.js or what. Anyways, so here it is doing things, and we need to again wait for this to complete because this is all AI stuffs. So after some time you can see something is here. Here we have all these things, and now we need the Google Gemini API key. That's okay, but I'm really lazy person. I don't want to Google how to get the Gemini API key. It would be good if the Firebase Studio should give me a link where I can click and get the Gemini API key. Never mind, I already have that, so I'm going to fetch that and paste it here. Cool, I have pasted the key, click on continue, and now it says the first prototype is ready. Okay, let's try this. If it is ready, then it should work, but it's not working. What the heck is this? I think this should work. What this button is doing actually, let's try to click it properly. Oh, so this is interesting. I am liking this thing. Here you can actually change things, layers and the opacity, color. A lot of amazing things are there, and you can also edit the code directly from the VS Code. This is really mind-blowing thing. Edit the code into the editor. That's crazy. But if I hit back, okay, this is again a bummer here. I don't want to code, or maybe if something is done, if I hit back, that's creating a problem. So overall it's good stuff. It's a good start from Google, but let's see how this will perform in the near future. Let me know in the comment section what's your view about the Firebase Studio, and follow for more AI updates.